Jono Star. I can't believe said the man them really shot me. And what even make matters even worse. If you know say I'm the whole of my brother better than sick me up for the man them shot me. And the girl I love and care for so much, I sleep with better than. Church of God, me not feel like it can get any worse than this.
Brandon, my son. You alright, my son? Talk to your mother, Brandon. You alright? Talk to me, please, Brandon. Say something that me know say alright. Brandon, you see how I warn you, Brandon. Brandon, you see how I beg you, Brandon, no go around another place that go link better than. I have always known that boy is no good. Always have something dirty up his sleeve. Brandon, I grudge you, Brandon. You know, see, none of them no want to see you prosper. You know, see, them no want to see you turn out to nothing good. Them want you to continue for in the streets like them. You know, see that, Brandon? You know, see, them want you to come join them gang and live them dirty lifestyle. Brandon, them not have nothing good at all about them. I warn you, Brandon, stay away from those people. And you see it now, you could have lose your life, Brandon.
Boy, mommy, you're right. As much as me know if you admit that right and all, but you're right. You warn me, or me never listen. Because I believe so much in a brother than. I believe so much that the man could have changed. I really believe said the man did want a better life. I really believe in that man more than how me believe in me. In fact, I believe in him more than how he believe in himself. I go out of my way now, mommy. If he set the Canadian links, so the man could have come up on the next farm work program. And at this, and mechanics at this, the man use and repair me. If he set up ShatFoot, I'm tuggy, if he shot me. Mommy, me almost never there. When the boy them shot me in a mommy and the police them running, I saw the boy them run off and I saw me get for there see him with the today. And can you imagine I see him police them over burn out, beer in, beer out, cause some black road to protect them dirty boy and they see him dirty boy them turn around and come shot no. Rami, yeah, tell her this. It is a lesson learned. If you not learn nothing else in life, then no, I'm learning my lesson from this. Come on, criminal. Cannot be trusted. None at all. Judge Agagnia tell him money. General may hurt.
Nurse, good afternoon, nurse. My name is Ashley and I'm here to visit a gunshot victim. Just came in not too long ago named Brandon. Could you tell me where his room is so I can go and see him? He's my boyfriend.
Oh, Brandon? Yes, I can tell you where he is. Let me look in the books. So he's at Ward 21 and he's also in room 5. Okay, ma'am? No, you can't stay too long on the ward, because visiting time is almost done and his mother is already down there with him. Okay?
Yes, nurse, I totally understand. I promise you that I'll be quick. Brandon, are you okay? Babe, I'm really sorry for everything that has happened. And I know that I have a lot of explanation to give to you. But babe, I'm really, really sorry.
All you have the nerve to come here to come and talk about Brandon, I'm sorry. You see, if my mother never there in front of me, girl, me diss you. Mommy make that girl like, come from out of my room, please, mommy. Me no want disrespect that girl in front of you, mommy. That girl here knows that the man them a plan for slap me away, And the girl sit down on the information and I said nothing at all to me. If me did lose me 3 points tonight, mommy, you see that girl there actually, she would have responsible for it. Any of my mother never in a girl, man. This you come out of my room.
I deserve every single thing you said to me, Brandon. So I gotta just walk away still. But just know this, Brandon. I really do love you. And I never intended for anyone to hurt you. Just believe.
Brandon, what's really happening between you and Ashley? Did I hear my ears correctly? What did you just say, Brandon? That Ashley knew that they were planning to take your life and said nothing? And that she was a part of this whole setup? I can't believe you, Brandon. What are you really saying?
Hey boy, don't run in, don't move, boy. Hey boy, drop the gun. drop the gun. You hear me? I want you do the right thing. Drop the gun. Do the right thing, youth.
Officer, me tuggy, you know, me tuggy, me nah have no gun, officer, me nah have no gun. See, this me lift up on my shirt, the officer, me nah have no gun at all, for me, officer, so me don't know what you at that, but drop which gun, officer, me nah have no gun.
But drop gun, I feel say me and me gonna send me to prison at 15 years, so I gun, you know. Me nah go no prison go watching a stage show with Ninja Man and Zebra. I rode me a ton because cartel day I rode, so I prefer for the take him in live on a stage. Me nah drop no gun furthermore. Hold them here.
Yo, don't move. Keep your hand them in the ear. You hear me say, yo, me say, keep your hand them in the ear.
Jah no star, officer, you never have to mash him up, so still in officer. Jah no star, yes, officer, me I keep me under the ear, me hear you, sir. Me hear you, boss, me nah hold down behind boss. Please, boss, please. Nobody mash me, please, nobody mash me.
Yo, Willie, just put on one gloves and go take up the firearm from the fire gun from the boy. Jah no star, the youth never listen. Look what me beg the youth for drop the strap star. And the man instead him fire can pan with. That can't work, so him have to just hit the dirt.
Yo, Brown, me take up the Matic star. Jah no star, you want see it, Matic fat and clean. And you know, so me take off the tama for a boy head too. This how. No a boy ShatFoot for around the road, this a star. Jah no star, them youth and not learn, you know. Earlier on, since the boy rob a taxi man, you know, take away everything, even the silver them from the taxi man, and the taxi man come make the report, you know, and see the boy you done yourself again, come fire can off a police and feel like say so it a go dirt.
So youth, I been type of dirty life you really know want to continue for live. Look for your friend a gun right there, so. I say you want to, you know, look for your friend a gun right then there, so. I say you want to, you know, youth. You need to change your dirty ways. A year, you know, making my day or two, baby, you know. And since day, I'm going to rob all the taxi money, you know. And come back, don't you say, man, come corn up Bramden almost take the little old 3 pints and nothing at all. A joke thing, them type of thing there. I'm dead him up the audacity about him a clock camp and police, and I expect, say, shut our control and settings. I'm going to be there to be a film. Youth. You don't need to understand, say, no, so this thing work. You can't just get up and live them dirty lifestyle there. There are no better wake up and feel like say everything is okay. No, I'm a so this thing I go. And I saw this thing I go, youth. So this is a warming before the calming. Now tongue round I met the officers been cuff you. Because right now you go jail. And I make sure so your honor I give you no bail. So when you're done there, when you see Zebra Ninja Man, all you have to do a slide and a yell.
Hey boy, better than don't move. If you ever move, me spread you out like a sheet right as up on the ground. Hold up your hand them much but me can't see them.
All him a one big waste man, you know, look there. The man just come give him 3 pints and make them like a fool police that come mash him up. Jah no style. One small works me send the man them pan. And the man them just make everything mash up. Party mash up. Him get mash up. My strap get missing up. Tuggy gone to jail. Me and my way go jail. Brandon still alive. Why, Jah no star? More time when time you are bad, you know, you better you just bad by yourself and do your thing and own self, you know. Because them like a soldier, some of them have no sense. Watch your man, Jah no star. One liquor works. Look how much big ups me send the man them pan gun yam some big food and the man them deal with it and come back. And Brandon, one liquor chupong fry, one little small bat for flick, and all of this from that. You tell you, Jah no start. Me should have just got deal with the dirt myself.
Yo, Brown, you alright? You see, say you really cut up about that still, you know, but me just reassure you still, sir. You do the right thing, youth. You do the right thing. My sister, you never want to dirty him, but you did have to do what you have to do. It's either you take our life or you take theme one. So no bother worry yourself about it, man. No bother beat up yourself too much about it. It is what it is. You had to do what you had to do, my brother. So just go and take it easy. I just saw the garrison thing set right, you know. But it is what it is. Alright?
Jano and a Willie, big man levels. You're right. But now I tell you this, I one of the hardest part of the work this. If you see you coming at them place and I try to put in some work on, the little youth them will grow up in the arm. You have to turn around, yam all one of them food and broke the plate. It's rough, me I tell them, my boss. It's rough. Because ShatFoot are good youth, you know. ShatFoot are good youth when they grow up. Decent take a youth what used to represent in the chuck and field thing. Represent all them school of boys champs too and did very well. Remember when I was just coming at the place as a rookie cap, you know. They make a youth I used to look up to it and aspire to be people like we. But remember when time I go all in school, see a career there. Him come to me and me put him on a hat by the head and him say, boy, him wanna have to go up to be a police just like me. I mean it might encourage him, you know. And I said, no, youth, you don't have to become a policeman. Just go and focus by your chuck and field and become the next Usain Bolt. And I see him right now, spread up on the ground, hopeless. About you go lay down a man upon a block of ice. Me I tell us my boss, the thing really rough. One of the hardest part of the work this, but as I rightfully say still, we just have to do what we have to do. Because at the end of the day still, I have to go back home to my family. And my youth, them are the pimp on me. If you stay alive, it's bitter for them too. So you're right, but trust me, one of the worst part of the work this. Believe.
Hello? Yeah, hello? Hello? Who this? Oh, girl, what go on? What do I say? Police do what? When? In the night, yeah? No, me never hear. Where really say go on? Police lick down ShatFoot in the night, yeah? Girl, now I tell you, this coming like a good news to me ears. I see dirty boy shot Brandon in my night, you know? Right now, me down a hospital which for Brandon damn now. I tell you, it no look good. So girl, when you call me and make me know say police lap with ShatFoot, it coming like music to me ears cause that dirty boy that shot my man. And may I tell you, it never got gussle. But girl, never come off my phone right now. Cause me down at the hospital and me no want them to rush me. Alright? So anyway, thanks again for the information. This is some good news, you know. But me never know how to go back in the hospital room go talk to Brandon right now. Brandon run me. Me feel shame. But me deserve it still. Cause me shouldn't go there with better than behind him back. Brandon a good youth, you know. Brandon love me for real. But through me love bad man, I just feel like so me have to have one at all times to protect me. But protect me from what? Protect me from what? This me lose a really good man, you know, who truly loved me. But me have to go try and tell him say ShatFoot is no more, so the police them slap him around so. At least me have something good to tell him and I hope it make him feel better. Channel Star, Ashley, you have outdone yourself this time. You have lost the one good man that truly loved you.